Let's take a quick look to see how easy it is to set up your new electric blind from DotcomBlinds. First thing you'll need to do is to pair your remote control to your electric blind. Think of it in the same way as connecting a Bluetooth speaker to your mobile. To do this, locate the small prog button underneath the motor on your electric blind. With a small screwdriver, press the button once. This will wake the blind up from its power saving mode. Press it again and the blind will beep and shunt once to indicate that it's in programming mode. Press the up button on the remote control and the blind will shunt. You've now connected your remote control to your electric blind. In the event that you need to change the direction of travel, i.e. you press up on the remote control and the blind goes down, and vice versa, down on the remote control and the blind goes up, you simply need to change the direction of travel. Press stop on the remote control. The motor will shunt once. Press down and the motor will shunt once again. You've now changed the direction of travel. Now that the remote control is connected to the blind, you now need to set a top and a bottom limit stop. The reason for this is so that the blind knows where to stop automatically at the bottom of your window and again at the very top. To set your top limit stop, use the up and down buttons on the remote control to position your blind into the area that you wish to set the top limit stop to. Press and hold the prog button on the back of the remote control for 1 second. Now using the up arrow, you can fine-tune the movement of the blind to the exact position you wish it to be set to. Press stop and then press the prog button on the back of the remote control. You've now set your top limit stop. Now to set the bottom limit stop. Using the down arrow on your remote control, move the blind to the bottom of the window. Press stop. On the back of the remote control, press the prog button. Fine-tune the blind down by pressing the down arrow. Press stop again. On the back of the remote control, press the prog button once more. The motor will shunt and you've now set the bottom limit stop. If you ever need to perform a factory restart, press and hold the stop button on the remote control for 5 seconds. The motor will shunt once. Then press and hold the prog button on the back of the remote control for 7 seconds. Initially, the motor will shunt once and then it will shunt twice more at the end. This confirms that the factory reset has been completed.